Self-Publishing Titan has released their brand new puzzle and activity bundle, which includes 20 brand new puzzle tools for creating puzzle books and activity books that you can publish on Amazon, KDP and Teachers Pay Teachers, or you can sell as printables on Etsy or your own website. So these includes 20 brand new puzzle tools. Previously they had almost 50 plus puzzle and activity tools. These brand new puzzle tools help you create educational and creative puzzle books that engage and teach. It is 50% off for a limited time. You can see the time in here, 13 hours and 56 minutes. During this time, you can get it for only $99 instead of $199. Let me show you what is included in this brand new puzzle bundle. So the first one is odd one out grid, then is missing middle, then is same or different, then is one step equation, then sight word snail path, sight word color recognition grid, sight words trace right. You can trace and write sight words and create very engaging educational products for kids. Color word and trace sentence, then is circle connection, then is remember sight write on, then fill words. These are education focused puzzle tools. Remember sight word, remember sight find and circle, then is remember sight missing letters, remember sight fill color, then is round rhyme. This is really amazing one. Then is leaf match, then is circle connect, sight words, graph art, find and seek. So these are really amazing. Let me show you a few of them. Just we can click on this. Here you can see this is the round rhyme. Here you can upload your own words. I'm going to use these default words. You can see how to use and how to play instructions here. You can also have access to the solution. Kids need to match the rhyming words like ask and task, no show, same game, read, leave. If you click on the board, you can see this is the educational puzzle. Name the file here. You can select the font here. You can select the difficulty level to easy, medium or hard. Upload your own font if you want to. Then here you can change the font size, rhyming words font size as well. And then you can select the color here, any color you want to set, then rhyming words color, blue. So there are a lot of options here. Finally, you can generate collection. You can also change the background color, background circle colors, star color like this one. You can change the background as well, and then the star border can also be changed. You can save the setting as template. So I'm going to generate 5 here, generate collection. It will take some time to create these collections. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are all different pages here. You can select the download type as PNG or SVG, then quality medium, low, high. You can select the DPI like 96, 150 or 300. Then you can select if you want boards only or boards with solutions. You can also change the title here, and then you can either go to create book pages or you can simply download these as PNG files. You can save this onto your hard drive. Go back to the download folder here, extract here. These are the boards and then these are the solutions. This was our first one, the default one. Then is the second board, then third. So this is how it works. You need to select any puzzle tool. Like you can go to create new puzzle here. You can select any of these 20 or you can select mix and match and create very different puzzles every time. Like you can click find and seek. Here you will see the board width here. So you can select any board width like 8, 9 or 10. You can select board height, then you can number of objects 7, and then here you can change the objects by uploading your own files. Like you can see these are objects, you can upload your own file like object image 1, image 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you can select the number of pages here. I want to generate 5 pages, and then click generate, and it will create 5 find and seek pages for me. It's really quick, and we have 5 different find and seek pages here. I can go and create book pages. I can select this page size like 6 into 9, 8.5 into 11, and then I can go to next button here. I can include title page or I can delete the title page, then find and seek board and find and seek solution. If I want to customize the title page, I can do here. I can write any text here and it will appear on my title page. And then once I am ready, I can click on next. You can also change the boards per column. Like if you want to add only one board per column, you can move the slider here, boards per row as well, and you will only have one puzzle per page or one board per page. And you can also increase or decrease the margin here, padding here, and there are a lot of options. Similarly, you can adjust the solution pages here by including how many solutions you want to on single page. So these are a lot of settings here. Simply you need to go to the book setting here. In the book setting, you can select the relevant page here, change the customizations here. Like if I select the find and seek collection mode, I can change the settings here. If it is bleed or no bleed, then you can add your own custom border here. Then you can select where you want to have your border. If you want to have your border right and left, you can select here. If you want to add toward the top, you can also select here. Then you can reduce the image size like this. If you are adding this border, I think you need to include the bleed here, otherwise it may be rejected by Amazon KDP. Then number size, this is the puzzle number size. Number position you can change here, and you can also do a lot of customizations here. Vertical position, board gap, and it applies if you have multiple boards per page. Board padding and margins. Once you are satisfied with this page, you can, if you want to remove the borders from your solution pages, you can always do that. I am removing the borders from my solution pages. Here we go. Now I am satisfied with these settings. I can go next, and here is my book. I can go and download. I will have this print fastest PDF. Now I can replace the previous one. Save. Yes. Now we can view our file here. This is our first page. This is second, third, fourth, 5, then the solution page 1, solution page 2. In this way, you can create kids-friendly educational workbooks using self-publishing Titan's brand new puzzle and activity bundles 4.0. The link is in the description below, and it is currently 50% off. You can take a fast action and save $100 for a limited time. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.